thing I love about being involved with the Arts Centre here is that it is about creating conversations. It is about pushing the parcel. And when we think about trees and the whole arboreal narrative, we aren't just nature, we are part of it, and nature is this bigger thing. And when we can be reverent and not be arrogant, when we can understand that nature is not being put there for us, but we're there because nature's there.
I thought it was fantastic. It was such a mixture of different perspectives, different people speaking from the heart and from their minds, and it indicated what a desperate situation we're in.
So today's event, Jungle Jam, was a celebration of trees. The Arboreal Narratives exhibition was on in Bankstown Art Centre, so we basically curated an event around everything trees and nature, which kind of tied in really nicely with the actual exhibition.
Our Indigenous ancestors have to offer is incredibly important to the way that we move forward. We really need to be starting to listen more as a nation to, and as a universe, to our forefathers of this land.
For me, it was emotionally inspiring. Like, I honestly felt very moved by the stories and just the connection that we have to land itself and how that makes a difference to our everyday life. Like, honestly, like, I felt close to tears at some point.
You know, you have to go all the way down to Fredbro or something like that, into the river systems there to find a platypus. Hundreds of k's away. Hundreds of k's away, and yet we lived in the city here, Bankstown, and yet it was right here. They're not here anymore.
I have to say that this year's one here in Bankstown was, I would count as one of the best we've done, and that's very much thanks to the director of this art centre, Vandana Ram, who has just value added so much. I mean, it was thanks to Vandana that we have the music and a lot of the dance, and of course Costa.